There's an active volcano. It's about to erupt any day now. All people near the volcano, evacuate them immediately.
Love,
Yes, love? You're home early?
I just wanted to surprise you with flowers.
Aw, thank you.
Anything for you, my love. Someday, all of this will be ours.
Someday, love, all of this will be ours. Love begins where love ends.
Love, I have a surprise for you. What is it, love?
I'm going to introduce you to my brother.
Didn't you mention that you and your brother don't get along so well?
It's been a long time anyways. Thus, I want to marry you. I plan for us to go to my brother's house at Bicol. Sure.
Miss Mary, come see the news. What news?
Good morning to all. It has now been confirmed that a volcanic eruption is imminent in Mayon. Now let us remember that it is important to stay calm and take necessary precautions to ensure your safety. As of now, authorities are advising residents in the surrounding areas to evacuate immediately. Here are their words.
For this natural disaster, everyone must make sure to have an emergency kit ready with essentials such as food, water, medication, and important documents. In the event of volcanic eruption, for those who are farther from the volcano and farther from the town, it's crucial to stay indoors to avoid breathing in ash and volcanic gases. Close all doors and windows and use damp towels to seal any gaps. Keep informed by listening to local radio station or following official social media skill for updates and instruction from the emergency services.
Hello, I am Jaden Kabatan, a seismologist, and today I'm going to explain how a volcano erupts. A volcano erupts when pressure from beneath the Earth's crust causes molten rock or magma to rise up through a vent in the volcano. This buildup of pressure can be caused by the movement of tectonic plates of the release of gases. As the magma rises, it can encounter pockets of water, which can turn into steam and create even more pressure. Eventually, the pressure becomes so great that the magma and gases are expelled explosively, resulting in an eruption.
Thank you. Now remember everyone to stay away from lava flows as they can move rapidly and can cause serious harm. This is Addison Blair reporting live. Stay informed and stay safe, everyone.
Love.
love, are you okay?
Love, I can't make it. Save yourself. Please.
I love you too much. I can't bear to leave you here.
I love you too. My love. My everything.
Till death do us part.
And then I can't tell myself what the hell I'm supposed to do. And then I can't tell myself not to ride along with you. I hate all and then most of you, some and now none of you. Taking me back to the night we met. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, haunted by the ghost of you. Oh, take me back to the night we met. Well, that was full terror. And your eyes.
Because of the eruption, many died. There's 5 more volcanoes about to erupt.